feeling it. She's recording. Fucking retarded ass dog.
If the dot doesn't show up on the camera, it's gonna look like he's just jumping.
No, it's there. You can see it. Teddy! He's determined.
Austin better call him. That dog is getting pretty good jumps.
He's like, I'm gonna get you, you motherfucker. Come back down here. We're running. He completely missed it.
Put it right in front of his face.
He's
Body
expecting.
slam you.
He's expecting it to go, so he jumps.
Random pause. You can see him like revving up because his tail, as it gets closer, it like vibrates more. I'm gonna kill him one of these days. He's gonna hit the wall so hard. And he's just gonna fall and never get up again.
I can't jump that high. Are you kidding?